Welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content, and today I'm going to show you guys how to go to Flash Custom Transfers and get your free images. Right now on flashcustomtransfers.com, we offer free images, guys. Free images. We have some really cool back to school packs. We also have an awesome Halloween, fall, and Thanksgiving pack, all for free. Don't forget, in this video and the other video that we did, make sure you leave a comment on what images you want. Continue to tell us what images you want, and we're going to continue to make them free and available for download. So this video right here is really quick. I'm going to take you guys to the website and show you guys how to download it. It's super simple. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first thing you want to do is bring up a browser on a computer. Do not do this on a phone. You're going to need a computer because of these files. They're very big files, like SVG files and AI files and stuff like that. So we're going to go to Flash Custom Transfers. .com. Go to flashcustomtransfers.com. From here, you're going to see free stock images. Click your click that button right there to go to your free stock images. Now, again, the instructions to download these images are right here, right here. You can't miss them. So all of these images are completely free. You can download them and share them as you please. Some files will download automatically. The files that are bigger will download from our Google Drive link. Use these free images when creating your gang sheet. If you are unable to create a gang sheet, or if you're unable to create your own gang sheet, no worries. Just email us the images that you want printed after downloading them, and we can create the gang sheet for you. Zero setup fee. Okay, our email is right here. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. So for this pack right here, this one is a very small pack. So it's just going to download directly to your computer. Bam. Right there, you're going to show in folder. Once it's finished downloading, you're going to show that in folder. Boom, bring up your downloads folder. Wop, wop, wop. It's right there, right? Perfect, right? But for the bigger ones, let's say, I think this pack right here, this huge, awesome Halloween pack. Look at this, guys. Look at all these images that you're going to get. This is going to bring you to our Google Drive link. All you have to do is come in here. Look, we got fall, we got Halloween. What else do we got? Porch signs and teacher fall and Thanksgiving. Let's check out this Thanksgiving one. Everybody loves Thanksgiving. It's going to download. Give it a second. It shouldn't take too long. The download speed really depends on your Wi-Fi. Boom, we have it right there. Go over to our downloads folder over here. Bam, it's right there. And all you got to do is open it up. It's going to unzip. Boom, Thanksgiving. Look at all these beautiful images. AI, DXF, EPS, all these JPEGs. Let's go into JPEG. Let's look at some of these images. Look at these beautiful images, guys. These are just the JPEGs that we have in there. So if you don't know, you can use JPEG for sublimation. Of course, my computer's running slow, so okay, there we go. You can use a JPEG for sublimation. Everybody knows the AI files. This right here, these are the vectored files. So we're gonna open up Gobble Till You Wobble. Okay, that's a beautiful image. So if you have AI, or if you have any software that can open up an AI project, use this image, because these are going to be the vectored images. So from here, you can actually change the words, change the letters, change the colors. This right here, this is for more of a DTF process. So if you want to use these images to get some DTF prints from us, which again are $19.99, you can use these AI images for free. Remember, these are for free. And we're going to zoom out even more. These, let's zoom out to 15, pull it up in AI, Gobble Till You Wobble. Now, this is huge. We're going to shrink this up a little bit because we don't need it that big, right, guys? We don't need it that big. Let's shrink this down a little bit, and we can really do whatever we want with this image. It is a pure vectored image. So even if we wanted to ungroup this image, boom, want to ungroup it, right? And to say I wanted to change this letter E, let's make this let's go to our color chart. And let's change this to a green. Beautiful, look at that. We're able to change it because this is a vectored file. So I just wanted to show you guys just really quick video. I don't want to make this video too long. SVGs, that's for Cricut. If you guys are Cricut, Silhouette, all those programs where you need an SVG file, guys, we have those in there. All of the images that we have come with all of these files. So we have all of these files listed: SVG, DXF, PNG, EPS, and AI, and more, JPEG, PNG. Guys, take advantage of these free packs right now. Okay, guys, again, I want to make this video very short. If you have any questions, email us. That's the best form of communication. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Go ahead, email us, but go ahead, take advantage of this. It's not going away. This is only going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger as we expand on our library of images, free images for the people. Share it with everybody. We are here for you. Take advantage of this. And please, if you have any images that you would like, hey, you know what? I want to share it to Flash Custom Transfers library of images. Go on over. We will definitely accept images and create a pack. So if you have a business and you have say you have a birthday business and you make birthday cakes and you have a bunch of images that you've created personally that you want to give out, let us know. And we will definitely accept those images and create you your own pack. And it's just a little bit of advertisement for your company. We'll put a little note in there and say who it's from and actually put your email in there and your website or whatever. Just give you a little bit of advertisement so that people can see, oh, wow, I can go get birthday cakes from this lady. She has awesome birthday images. So just, guys, we're just trying to really expand business and help people expand their business. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Please check out the full video, 17-minute video of us talking about this product, of us talking about these images. But I just wanted to make this quick little video very fast. You guys know we're Flash. So go get your images today and go use them. Be basic. Peace.